Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Webster Bank debit card step by step clearly. To activate your Webster Bank debit card, first, locate your card and the accompanying activation instructions. Begin by ensuring that your card is in front of you. Look for the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your debit card. Using your phone, dial the number listed to initiate the activation process. Follow the prompts provided by the automated system. You may be asked to enter your card number. Input the 16-digit number found on the front of your debit card. Next, you will likely need to provide your personal identification information. Prepare to enter your social security number or another form of identification as requested. The system may also ask for your date of birth for verification purposes. Once you have entered the required information, listen carefully for confirmation. If prompted, create a personal identification number, or PIN, for your debit card. Make note of this PIN as it will be necessary for future transactions. After your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message. End the call once you have confirmed that your debit card is active. If you encounter any issues during this process, please consider visiting a local Webster Bank branch for assistance. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Webster Bank website for additional support and resources. Your debit card is now ready for use. Enjoy the convenience of accessing your funds with your newly activated card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.